This is an Ekodeck Plus Flame Fighter deck. Today, we will be showing you how to finish your deck and some alternatives to make it easier. Due to Ekodeck Plus Flame Fighter's Durashell coating, it is necessary to finish the boards in a way to preserve the outer coating as best as possible whilst ensuring a nice clean finish. It is also recommended to picture frame your deck so you can execute the finishing detail we will be showing you today. We recommend routing out the fascia and leading edge of your decking boards to allow them to mate up cleanly. Before you start, make sure you have a good clean workspace. It is recommended to lay a drop sheet down to collect the shavings from routing the board. To route the board, clamp it in place, allowing enough room for your router to pass. You are now ready to route your board. Set up your router as follows. Route out the leading edge of the decking board 15 by 7mm. If you have numerous steps, edge boards or fascias, route out all similar boards at the one time to avoid changing the router settings more than necessary. Route out the fascia board as shown, 15 by 15mm. Once you have routed out the boards, ensure they align correctly. You are now ready to begin installing your Ekodeck Plus Flame Fighter. We recommend installing your fascia first by using right angle brackets or face fixing. It's up to you. If fastening using angle brackets, pre-drill the board and fix it in place using 20mm long screws. Be sure not to over tighten them. Next, you can secure the leading edge of your decking board using angle brackets too, as shown. It is recommended to lay your board in place and mark the location of the joists to make it easier to work with. Fasten the bracket securely into the joists, and that's all there is to it. A simple alternative to routing your boards is the use of steel or aluminium edging. Now you can continue to install using Quick Fix. Download comprehensive installation guides from our website at ekodeck.com.au.